Hi, I'm Nicky Westhead. I'm from the UK and I'm an executive and team coach with AIIR Consulting. My coaching style and philosophy comes from a blend of different things. It comes from a multicultural and international perspective. I've lived and worked in different countries. Secondly, I have a business psychology background and worked at organizational and team levels across many different countries, again, in different industries. So I bring that systemic lens with me as well as the individual lens. I see that coaching offers a sandbox place for leaders and the teams collectively to explore things that they maybe don't have time to do and also want to do with a neutral, independent, objective individual. So all of that said, today leaders are in totally dynamic, ambiguous, sort of changing times, that the things that have served them in the past may not serve them now. So I ask them to come with openness and somewhat of an adventure to try new things and to stay with it when it's not always perfect, but to practice it and to try it.